Yeah, it's a sloshing sound.
Is it coming from the front or rear?
The rear.
Is it doing all the time? Intermittently?
Well, it sounds like this. I don't know what that is, but like it's really weird. Like when I drive, it just makes all this noise. But it's weird though. Also, my gas gauge goes up and down while I'm driving.
So you got sound coming from the rear?
Definitely from the rear.
You're looking at, to diagnose that, you're looking at about $79 to diagnose that.
Oh, okay. Well, just to diagnose it. So,
Yes.
well, I guess I have to do that. Well, shit. Huh?
You want to set an appointment?
I'll call you guys back later on.
Okay. Just let me know when it's up, sir.
Okay, I'll do that.
All right, thank you.
All right, no problem.